Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, today we will discuss the chapter 14 of English Reader. The name of the book is Open Skies and the name of the chapter is Skills since wisdom is of no use. It means skills are useless without wisdom. Okay students, in this chapter we will discuss the story of four boys who had got skills but they had lack of wisdom. Wisdom means intelligence, buddhimatta. Okay, so they had got skills but they don't have wisdom, therefore they died at the last of the story. Dear students, this story has been taken from the Hindi story, Hindi collection Panchatantra ki Katha. Okay, so just see here, you can see the story. The story, I think you all have seen this TV serial Vikram and Betal. Okay, so here the story has been derived from there. Okay, so just see here. Once a man named Krishna Swami lived in the city of Patliputra. Once upon a time, a man whose name is Krishna Swami, he used to live in Patliputra. Patliputra is nowadays we call Patna in Bihar. Okay, so just see here, there is a man whose name is Krishna Swami who used to live in the city Patna. He and his wife had 4 sons. Krishna Swami had 4 sons. Okay, Krishna Swami had 4 sons, and just see here, both who, Krishna Swami and his wife, both and his wife passed away while the children were still young, and both the wife of Krishna Swami and Krishna Swami both had passed away. Passed away means died when the children were young. जब बच्चे छोटे थे तभी क्या हो गए, कृष्णा स्वामी और उनकी पत्नी गुजर गई. Their greedy relatives tricked them out of property, and their greedy means lalchi, and the greedy relatives of Krishna Swami tricked them means cheated with the children. Okay, tricked them and out of their property, and they did not give the property to the children of Krishna Swami. Okay, and the relatives of Krishna Swamis were very greedy. Therefore, they tricked the children and they did not share the property, did not give the property. Just see. And the boys were left penniless. Penniless means without any money. Okay, penniless means poor. Just see. And the boys were left penniless. And the boys, there are 4 children of Krishna Swami and they were penniless. Penniless means they were very poor. They don't have enough money to eat. They don't have enough money to buy the clothes. So just see here, they were penniless. Since they were young and did not know how to earn a living. When they were a young child, they don't know how to earn money. Because their parents, Krishna Swami and his wife, the mother and father of these children had passed away when they were young. So they don't have any idea how to earn money. Okay, so just see. Since they were young and did not know how to earn a living, they decided to go to their maternal grandfather's house. So they decided to go to their maternal grandfather's house. Okay, when his mother and father died, the children decided to go to the maternal's grandfather's house. Okay, students, I hope that you are getting you are understanding the story. Okay, come to the next paragraph. Just see the second paragraph. They reached there. The children, 4 children reached there, and there after a hard journey only to discover that their grandfather was no more. And when they reached there, and they got information that their grandfathers, maternal grandfather, were no more. He had also died. Then what will happen? However, their uncles gave them shelter, and their uncles gave them shelter. Shelter means to give a proper place to live. Just see. However, their uncles gave them shelter, and 4 boys continued their studies. And all the 4 boys continued their studies. Okay, students? So just see. As the months passed, this kind treatment started to wane. And now, when the months passed, after 1 or 2 months, what happened? The kind treatment get wane. Wane means कमी आने लगी. यानी कि उनकी भी, उसके अंकल के, उसके मामा के बिहेवियर में भी क्या होने लगी? कमी आने लगी. Just see, students. This treatment started to wane. Wane means कमी, lackness. W-A-N-E. Wane means lackness. Just see. This kind treatment started to wane, and they were no longer treated well. And they were no longer treated well. It means they were treated well only for few months. And after few months, what happened? They were ill-treated. So just see. They were no longer treated well or given enough food or proper clothes. And after few months, what happened? Their uncles are also not giving enough food, enough dress. They are not providing the studies material. Okay? So just see. It is written. They were no longer treated well or given enough food or proper clothes. Now, the uncle also tired of taking care of them. Okay? So just see, students, come to the next paragraph, turn the page number 105. Just see. The boys did not know what to do. Now the condition is adverse. The children do not know what to do, what not to do. So just see here. The boys did not know what to do. One day as they sat together thinking about how to end this pitiable situation. And when one day all the boys were sitting all together and they were thinking about this matter, and they were planning that what should they do to overcome this kind of situation. Okay, so just see here. One day as they sat together thinking about how to end this pitiable situation. Pitiable situation means pathetic condition, miserable condition. The condition were not good. So just see here, they were thinking about that condition, how to get rid of that condition. Okay? So just see. The eldest brother said, what shall we do now? The eldest brother said that, and he was asking to the others, what should they do now? Just see, we cannot continue to live like this. And the elder brother was saying that they cannot continue to live like this. They cannot continue to live in the adverse condition. So just see. We cannot continue to live like this. It seems to me that we could master some skills which will help us to earn a lot of money. Now, the elder brother said that he needs to learn some skills so that they could earn some money from that skill. So just see here, the eldest brother, suggested that they should learn some skills so that they could earn some money for their livelihood. Just see. It seems to me that we should master some skills which will help us to earn a lot of money and be free of our present problems. Okay, students. So here the first brother, here the elder brother just saying to the other that they should learn, they should master some skills so that they could earn a lot of money, they could get rid of this adverse situation. Okay, students? Come to the next paragraph. Paragraph number next, fourth. Just see. All the brothers like these ideas and all the three brothers also like these ideas. The idea of learning some new skills. Just see. And started discussing what kind of knowledge they should master. And now they were started discussing what kind of knowledge they should master. Okay, what kind of skills they should master. So just see. Discussing what kind of knowledge they should master after some discussion. What happened? After some discussion, they decided that it would be best if they acquires magic power. And now, one of them said that they decided, all the four brothers decided to learn the magic power. Okay, so just see. Decided that it would be best if they acquires magic power. Okay, they decided, all the four brothers decided to learn the skills of magic so that they could earn a lot of money. Just see. Which would help us to bring in a steady income. Steady means stable, asthai. Okay, so they decided the idea to learn, to train, to master the magic skills. Come to the next line. With this plan in mind, each of the brothers set off. Set off means started journey, and all the brothers set off in a different direction. And all the four brothers set off. They started journey to learn the skills, to learn the magic power. Okay, and just see here, in the different direction, east, west and north, south, and all the four brothers moved to the different direction, north, south, east and west. Okay, to earn the skill, to learn the skills, to master the skill of magic power. So just see, to learn the different magical skills. They plan to meet again at the particular place, and while setting up the journey, they planned that where they will meet after a particular time. Okay, so just see here. They planned to meet again at the particular time and place to see what each of them had learned, and to see that what each of them had learned. They planned that after few years they will meet at a particular place and everyone will tell that what they had learned. Okay? So just see. They were very happy to see each other again and asked what each of them had been able to learn. Come to the next paragraph. The eldest says, I have mastered. Just here, I have forgotten one paragraph. Just come to the upwards. Just see. Many months later, when the time to meet came closer, and after few years, what happened? The time came to meet. Now they will meet. All four brothers started out for the appointed place, and they set off journey. They started journey to meet a particular place where they had already decided. Okay? Just see. They were very happy to see each other again, and after a long time they were meeting and they were feeling very happy to see each other. and asked what each of them had able to learn. And they were asking to each other that what they had learned, which magical power they had learned. So just see, the eldest says, what he said? I had mastered a particular kind of magic. And the eldest brother said that he has mastered a particular kind of magic. I can cover the bare bones of any animals with the right kind of place. And here the first brother, the eldest brother said that he has learned the skill, he has learned the magic power to cover the mere means naked bones of any animal with the right kinds of place. Okay, the first brother says that he had learned that how to arrange the bones of any dead animals, okay, in systematic way. And just see the second, I have learned how to add skills. And the second was saying that he had learned how to add the skins on the bones, on the places. So just see, the second, I had learned how to add skins and hairs of the animals, and after flesh has been added to the bones. And you have seen that the eldest brother had learned how to attach, how to add the bones and fill the places into it. And the second brother has learned that how to cover the skins and grown up the hairs. Just see, I have learned how to add skins and hairs of the animals after the flesh has been added to the bones. Okay, just see, come to the third. The third man said, the third brother said, what he said? I know how to create the limbs. Limbs means part of bodies. Just see, how to create the limbs of the animal whose bones had been clothed with skin, flesh and hairs. And the third brother was saying that if the bones is ready, if the flesh is ready, if the skin is covered on that body, then he can make the flesh limbs or the fingers or the other things, other parts of bodies. Just see. And now the third said, I know how to create the limbs of animal whose bones have been clothed with skin, flesh and hair. Now just come to the fourth. What the fourth brother is saying? The fourth brother is saying, and the fourth brother, when such animal is finally formed, I can breathe life into it. And the fourth brother was saying that if such a life, if such a physical appearance, if such animal is formed, then he can put the life into it. The fourth brother is saying that if a forms of animal is prepared, then he can put the lives into it. Okay? Just see. The four brothers were very pleased to discover that they had all acquired skills which could be used together for their mutual benefits. And now they were very happy. All the four brothers were very happy that they have learned the skills that they can use that skill mutually. वो इस तरह की स्किल्स को लर्न किए हैं. पहला क्या किया? वो बोन्स को, मांस को लगाना सीख लिया. दूसरा स्किल लगाना, उस पे बाल उगाना सीख लिया. तीसरा क्या किया? उसके जो शरीर के अंग होते हैं उसको बनाना सीख लिया. एंड द फोर्थ क्या है? उसने उसमें जान डालने की कला सीख ली. ओके, एंड नाउ आफ्टर नोइंग ऑल दिस थिंग्स, आफ्टर नोइंग the all brothers can use their skill mutually, then they were feeling very happy, they were very much pleased. Just see. But the first said, eldest brother, we must prove our skill one another. And now the fourth said that, the first said that, yes, the first brother said that we should prove our skills. Okay, now one by one everyone will prove their skills. Okay, come to the next. So they went to the forest, took for bones of animals. And so they went to the forest and took the bones of animals. to display their knowledge to one another. To display means to show their knowledge to one another, what they had learnt. एंड जैसे अब बोन्स लाते हैं, अब बोन्स को क्या करके अब बारी बारी से अपने स्किल्स सब दिखाएंगे. जैसे सो दे वेंट टू द फॉरेस्ट टू look for the bones of animals to display their knowledge to one another. Soon they found some scattered bones of animals, and very soon they found the bones of the scattered bones. Scattered means spread, means फैला हुआ bones उनको कहीं मिल गया. And the first brother used the magic spell to cover the bones with their proper flesh. And now the first brother united all the bones and put the fleshes into it. Just see. Then the second, dear students, now the second and third added the skins, hairs and limbs respectively. Now second and third, they added the fleshes, okay, they added the skins, hairs and limbs respectively. Now the fourth one who has learned how to put the life into that body. Just see. When this was done, they saw that they had made a lion. When everything is prepared, they saw that it is the shape of lion. अब देखो क्या होता है. It was the turn of fourth brothers. Now fourth brother has to prove his magic power. And what was his magic power? To put the life into it. अब देखो क्या होता है. To put the life, just see. They saw that they had made lion. As it was the turn of fourth brother, he said, "See, I will bring it life now," and muttered a space. And now he said that he can put the life into that body, the body of lion, in the body of lion. Now just see. As soon as he did that, as soon as the fourth brother put the life into that body, what happened? A huge long lion arose. एक बड़ा सा लायन क्या हुआ? उठा. अब क्या हुआ? Scattered its limb and he scattered its limbs and roared loudly. And the lion also roared, okay, loudly, showing its fearful sharp teeth. And the lion was also showing its sharp teeth. Then before the realization of anything, before understanding anything, what happened? The lion charged at the four brothers. And now the lion charged at the four brothers. यानी कि लायन क्या किया? चारों भाइयों के ऊपर आक्रमण कर दिया और मारकर खा गया. Okay students? Just come to the next. Charged at the four brothers and caught and ate each one. And now the lion has eaten to the all brothers. Okay? Just come to the next paragraph. Thus the four brothers died. In this way the four brothers died. Because of their foolish mistake. Because of their foolish mistakes. Bringing a precious beast to life. What was the mistake? Bringing a ferocious beast. Ferocious means dangerous. Beast means animal to the life. यानी कि उस बॉडी में लाइफ डाल के क्या किए? बहुत गलती किया. This proves that if you lack wisdom and common sense, even the best skill cannot help you. This things proves that if you have skills and you are not using wisely, then it will be harmful for you. So just see students, at the end of the story, Betal asked King Vikramaditya. Now Betal was just telling the story, narrating the story to the Vikramaditya, and he will also put a question to Vikramaditya. And just see, now tell me, king, which of the four brothers was responsible for the death? And now the Betal is asking to Vikramaditya that which brother is responsible for the death of all brothers. So just see. Now come to the next paragraph, students. King Vikramaditya replied, the fourth brother. And the Vikramaditya replied, the fourth brother who put the life into the lions. Okay, that fourth brother is responsible for the death of all brothers. Just see. The Vikramaditya replied, the fourth brother who brought the life to the lion to life is guilty one. He said that Vikramaditya said that the fourth brother who brought life into the lions, he is responsible for our deaths. Okay, come to the last paragraph, students. The others created flesh, skins and limb. The other brothers, the first brother created he joined the bones of that animal, and the second put the fleshes into it, and the third put the skins and hairs. And so in this way they were not as much responsible as the fourth one. So just see. But even after realizing that it was dangerous land, and even when the body of the lion has been prepared, even after that they were not realizing that if we will put the life into it, it will kill us. Just see. But even after realizing that it was dangerous lion, the fourth brother wanted to show off his knowledge. Hence, he is responsible for his own and his brother's death. So, in this way, Vikramaditya is saying that the fourth brother is responsible for all deaths. Just see. This was indeed the correct answer and riddle. And this was the indeed correct answer to the riddle, and the Betal vanished. And now Betal said that this is, you had given the correct answer, and now the Betal vanished. Vanished means disappeared. Betal was a ghost. Okay, he was just telling the story to the Vikramaditya. In this story, once again the king Vikramaditya had to try to catch the demon, and now once again the king Vikramaditya is trying to catch that Betal to listen the another story. Okay, students, so this is all about the story. Wisdom sense skill sense wisdom is of no use. It means skill is useless without wisdom. Okay, students, I will send the notes, question answer and other exercises on your WhatsApp. I hope that you all have understood the story. If you are getting any kind of problem, you may ask on WhatsApp. That's all for today. Thank you.